Previously on Triggered.
Can you chika responsibly? And how do you do that?
Most definitely.
Have you ever experienced an interview where you fully know that that person is lying to you?
course.
And have
Oh
how
my
did
God!
like as in and how did you handle that?
A lot of times.
Yeah. At saka it doesn't only happen to personalities, It can happen to any ordinary
Yeah.
individuals. Ako nga na fake news na ako di ba?
Na?
Ah,
Oo,
diba?
sige ako, wag mo ko interrupt Chef Miggy is my husband.
Yeah.
How do you draw the line or where do you draw the line between what's public interest
Yes.
and what's invasion of privacy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ganda.
Ganda nun
Oo.
Ang Miss Universe.
Parang ano
Ang
yun.
Miss Universe yun
Kailangan din kasi minsan i-educate mo sila. Kasi sometimes they do not know kung ano yung i-consume nila. And responsibility mo rin na mag-educate.
May mga artista na pumipili talaga ng mga reporters to be at their events, to be at their and minsan hindi ka na-invite, minsan hindi ka nila pinagkakatiwalaan, and so on. How do you take that? Ba?
I mean, I may be part of the LGBTQ, but I'm not a criminal.
You are?
You know what I mean? Hindi, di ba?
Like, sobrang professional niyang mga yan. Like, when you say na magkikita kayo for an interview at 9 o'clock,
Ay, sorry.
nandun sila ng 9 o'clock. Si Barbie would be there 8 o'clock.
Parang may tinamaan.
Wait, uy,
Cheska,
Sorry,
9:10.
sorry naman. 10-10.
10-10.
10-10 yun. 10-10 yun. Welcome back to Trigger! Grabe, paano yun? Ganun pala.
New Year.
Paalog, tama ka dyan. Okay, marami pa tayong chichikahan. Siyempre, kasama sa the one, the only, Nelson Canlas, and of course, Chef Miggy by his side. Ibang klase talaga. Okay, so usapang chikahan, eto na. Sir Nelson, when a story lands on your table, okay, ano yung unang pumapasok sa isip mo? Paano ka nagde-decide na ito ibabalita ko or ito ang hindi ko ibabalita? How do you decide?
Okay.
Okay.
Oo nga,
Example.
that's a very interesting
Diba?
question. Kasi, siyempre, araw-araw, di ba, may dumarating sa yung mga info, mga balita, ganyan na, hindi balita, mga info about celebrities, no? So, meron kaming parang certain group who bets it na parang, ano to, gawin natin to, this is very interesting, magandang panoorin ito ng mga tao. So, yun, doon kami nagdedebate. Kasi minsan, gusto kong gawin, tapos, hindi yan interesting, or nagawa na yan before, or something like that. Or hindi totoo yan. Ganon. So, dumadaan yan sa proseso. So, kami, yung part na yun, that crucial part of the day, wherein maraming tao yung nagde-decide kung if it makes it to the news, yun yung pinaka-center nung day ko. So, parang there's a conference of sort.
Okay, so pinag-uusapan talaga siya. Tapos may betting, like ano
Kasi
talaga.
akala ng mga tao, ng mga manonood, yung napapanood nila sa news, parang bigla na lang siya lumalabas or I'm in total control of it. Hindi nila alam, behind me, kasi ako lang yung face ng news na nilalabas ko eh. Ako kasing voice-over, ako yung nag-i-interview, pero behind me, meron ng mga taong nag-decide na lalabas talaga siya sa news. So, hindi lang ako yun. There's a whole village
Yeah.
that decides kung if it makes it to 24 Oras or any other news programs of GMA.
Grabe. So, pag you made it pala sa 24 Oras News, wait lang, I made it.
No, alam.
Everybody's been talking about it.
Totoo yan. That's the goal.
Oo.
Nung pumasok ako sa GMA, sabi ko talaga, masasabi ko lang, I've made it hindi sa show. Pag na-interview ako ni Nelson Canlas.
Ah! Diba?
Actually, I think I also have a question in line with that. Kasi 'di ba po, like harping back on what you said earlier about your boss being the mga manonood. Like, how do you draw the line, or where do you draw the line between what's public interest
Yes.
and what's invasion of privacy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ganda.
Ganda nun.
Oo.
Bernie,
Pang
ha?
Miss Universe.
Parang ano yun.
Pang Miss Universe yun
No, kasi I'm sure madami pong information that arrives. Yun nga, as multiple stories land at your table. So like, how do you discern? Ano ba yung...
Oh, kasi 'di ba minsan hinihingi ng tao kasi na ba't wala tayong news about Cheska, wala tayong news about Thea, wala tayong news about Mark, parang ganon. Hinihingi ng mga viewers yan minsan kasi we see them on the social media pages of GMA. So, minsan kasi paano ba? Magandang tignan din yung part na nag-ano kami, like what I said kanina, nagbe-vet kami kung ano yung what makes it to the news and such. Hindi lahat ilalabas mo. Hindi lahat hindi lahat pwedeng ilabas, hindi lahat pwedeng i-push. So, pero yung sa part naman na ano yung, alam mo, nakausap mo na yung celebrity, 'di ba? Ano ba yung magandang ilabas and paano ba yung invasion na siya of privacy. Diyan pumapasok again yung relationship ko with the celebrity.
Yeah.
Na parang, lalo na pag sensitive
Yeah.
yung information or sensitive yung interview, sabihin mo na sa kanya, natatanungin kita tungkol dito and you cannot stop me. So, it's
okay.
up to you how you're going to answer it.
Yeah.
Kasi I don't like, personally ako as a reporter, I don't like yung, can you give me the questions first? Parang,
Okay.
wait, magbibigay akong questions pero hindi yan yung questions ko. Parang gano'n. So, yeah, I mean,
Got
people
you.
know that I'm so notorious pagdating sa ganyan. Like, pinagbibigyan ko yung mga, alimbawa, junket na international, gano'n. Kasi parang, yun lang naman ang pwede nilang pag-usapan. Saka there's not much we know about their real lives,
Yeah.
di ba? Pero yung mga dito, like example, mas deeper yung relationship natin with celebrities na Filipinos.
Yeah,
And
totoo.
kaya, in saying that, mas may alam ako sa'yo, ganon. So, pag hindi sensitive, tinatanong ko kagad. Pag sensitive, I don't wanna intrude, but ito yung lumabas. Or ito yung information na nakuha ko. So, would you like to answer that? And, di ba, if you don't want to answer it, I respect that, pero ilalabas ko na hindi mo sinagot. And I don't know, maybe you've
Give and
seen-
take, ganon.
Oo, kasi, di ba, there is a reason kung bakit hindi mo siya sinagot. And I respect that.
Yeah.
Because naniniwala ako, sasagutin mo rin naman siya at some point.
Naniniwala din ako na there is a reason kung bakit tinanong yun ni Sir Nelson.
Oo, kasi ay, nakarating sa akin.
Oo,
Di ba?
totoo.
Hindi
You're-
naman din na ako mag-iimbento.
Yeah.
Di ba? I mean, I'm too tired para mag-imbento.
True.
So, sabihin ko na lang sa'yo.
Your job as the journalist is to ask the question.
To ask the
Yeah.
questions.
Yeah.
And you have to ask the important questions.
Yeah.
You have to, personally ako, di ba, I know a lot of celebrities, parang ang feeling nila nagre-revalida sila pag tinatanong ko eh. Parang ang feeling nila parang nagde-depend ang thesis. Kasi talaga, I really like pushing them.
Yeah.
Kasi pinasok niya yung trabahong yan eh. Na parang mas maganda na lalo na pag may magandang angulo or interesting angle sa'yo, sagutin mo ng tama. Nasa sayo na yan kung paano mo sasagutin. Pero kasi ako, hindi ko pipigilan yung sarili kong magtanong. Yun ang trabaho ko eh. Diba?
Totoo.
Yeah.
Eto, may mga instances na ba na wherein you knew that this certain topic about a celebrity would be trending, pero you decided not to just put it out there? Was there a time, for some reason?
Kung meron man, bihira.
Okay.
Kasi like what I said, 'di ba? Yung evolution, sumasabay kami doon eh. Ako
Yeah.
personally sumasabay ako doon. So alam ko parang yung sinabi ni Alden magte-trend ito.
Yeah.
Or yung sinabi ni Alden sa interview ko magte-trend ito for sure. And it does.
Yeah.
Or alimbawa yung interview ko kay Marian, magte-trend ito in 2 days. And most of the time, nangyayari siya talaga. Kasi nagkakaroon ka ng pulso.
Yeah.
So, yung that's why instead of yung babalikan ko yung sinabi kanina, na viewer yung boss natin. Kailangan din kasi minsan i-educate mo sila. Kasi sometimes they do not know kung ano yung i-consume nila. And responsibility mo rin na mag-educate.
Yeah.
Yes.
Na parang, okay, boss kita, pero sasabihin ko rin sa'yo kung ano yung maganda. Kung ano yung tama.
Pero di ba, Sir Nelson, meron kasabihan nga yung GMA News na walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan keme-keme. Pero may personal relationship ka sa mga artists. There was a time ba na parang naaawa ka dun sa artist na itanong ko ba? Wag ko na nga lang itanong.
All the time. All the time. Lalo na pag super sensitive. yung
Ayan, tama.
Pag super sensitive. Kasi tao lang din ako eh. Like what you said nga, no? Relationship na yan eh. So nararamdaman mo na yung nararamdaman niya. Pero, babalik ka dun sa core mo eh. Bakit ka ba nakaupo dyan? Para makipagsimpatya ba sa kanya?
Tama.
O magtanong?
Yes.
So, babalik ka dun sa, teka lang yung trabaho ko, pasensya ka na.
Yeah.
And sometimes, most of the time, nangyayari yan, lalo na pag napapaiyak ko yung artista nang hindi ko naman talaga gusto. Ayoko talaga nagpapaiyak ng artista kasi naiiyak din minsan ako. And I'm an ugly crier.
Yun yung reason.
Reason,
Yun
diba?
lang yun.
So, minsan, parang ayoko na talaga, pero yung mas mahaba pa yung the time na kinokonsole ko siya after the interview. Na and I don't like that kasi pati ako nadadala ko yun.
Yeah.
Pero
Alam
hindi
niya,
niyo
pag
goal.
nagda-drive kami, minsan sasakay ako, tapos umiiyak ako. Sabi niya, ba't ka umiiyak? Kasi kakwento ko.
Pero hindi nyo goal, Sir Nelson, na paiyakin talaga sila.
Never.
No.
Kusa, so walang formula sa mga...
Wala. Kasi 'di ba parang ano yan eh, parang yung ang tingin ko nga like what I said, 'di ba? Office mate mo. So hindi mo alam kung saan ang galing yan today, kung ano yung ginawa niya, kung ano yung pinagdaanan niya, whatever. So hindi mo alam kung pumasok ba yan doon sa interview na masaya siya, mahirap iyakin. So 'di ba? So walang formula talaga. Pero if you ask ito, foolproof ito. If you ask the right questions at nadala mo siya doon sa zone na nag-expose na siya ng sarili niya, most of the time, may iiyak yung artista. Kasi hindi niya ine-expect na sasabihin niya.
Yeah.
Yun yung yun yung measurement ko na nagawa ko yung trabaho ko ng tama.
Yeah. And the fact that you're able to yung create an environment that feels safe enough
Yes.
for them to answer truthfully.
I love that. I love the way you put that. Kasi people ask me, bakit niyo po napapaiyak yung artista? And I always say, because I provide somehow a safe environment, a safe place na makakasagot siya. In fact, di ba, I mean, dozens na yata of celebrities would tell me na parang, ang daya mo, pag ini-interview mo ko, parang feeling ko hindi interview, nasasabi ko tuloy.
Kasi wala kang yung parang yung gotcha. Yung hindi
Yeah,
mo sila
wala.
ginagano na, huli na.
Because
huli
it's
ka na.
never my purpose.
Yeah.
It's never my thing na hulihin ko yung artista. Like what I said nga kanina, di ba? It always starts with respect.
Yeah.
Kung ano yung sasabihin sa'yo, take it as it is.
Yeah.
Parang kapatid mo yan eh, na parang kung sinabi sa'yo pula yan, okay, pula yan, trip mo yan eh.
Yeah.
Di ba? Pero tatanungin kita, ba't sa tingin mo na pula yan? Ganon. So may ganon.
May ganon.
It starts with respect.
Right.
Respeto mo yung sasabihin niya sa'yo and just take it.
Love.
Eto, for for Chef Miggy, may question kami para sa'yo. Ayan. Parang si Sir Nelson yung lagi
Happy na nga ako, hindi nagsasalita.
Eto, kakapasok lang ng question. For Miggy, nasanay ka na ba na si Sir Nelson ma-showbiz?
Yeah, definitely. You know, as a person who is not from the industry that you belong,
Let's qualify that, yung mas showbiz. Kasi sa bahay, hindi like zero.
Yeah.
Kung paano nyo ako nakikita ngayon, iba.
iba, yeah. Pero going back, you know, as somebody who's not from the industry you belong to,
Yeah.
as a third person's perspective, I mean, I've admired Nelson from that from that seat.
Yeah.
Kinilig
Nakakainis ako.
Seeing him.
Napula po yung tenga.
Hindi, I've admired him watching from the seat that I have. I mean, fortunate enough to be able to see that on a daily basis. Kasi I've seen how much he has worked hard in making sure that his credibility is intact. You were all...
Maiya!
Hindi, kasi, you know, I mean, listening to all of your questions and him chiming in and all these answers, I definitely agree with everything that he said with all your
Alam mo,
questions.
wait lang hindi niya, ngayon niya lang ako nakikitang sumasagot ng ganyan.
Yeah.
Kasi sa bahay naman, di naman kami ganyan magtanungan, di naman magsagot na parang, nalinis mo na ba ang banyo? May respeto kasi, kailangan ko. Walang ganon
Wala
So
naman
parang,
ganon,
like
yeah.
parang,
Yeah, definitely
so
walang ganon.
I think, and he doesn't like watching my interviews.
I do sometimes, like secretly I do.
don't.
Pero,
Ay, secretly
Oh,
pala.
secretly. But no, the thing is, I think if there's one thing that I've learned all throughout living with Nelson, is that I've seen how professional he is in dealing with his work. And on top of that, he also has a perfect balance of being personal. And he takes good care of his relationships with the celebrities. And I've seen that vice versa. Kasi parang, like it comes out naturally sa kanya, not only because, like what he said, he's creating a safe space for the celebrities, but because all throughout the years, he was able to establish that credibility that he can be trusted.
Wow.
Kasi he always draws the line into masasaktan ba on a personal basis yung taong ito o hindi. So he's still human in that aspect.
Yeah.
And that's what sets him apart, I think. Because I've seen a lot of other reporters, writers who are handling, mga celebrity stuff. They feed on what hurts the most, majority of the time. So they like that. They feed on what hurts people. They feed on what's
Because that's
going.
what's get the
because
clicks.
that's what gets the clicks and the attention. In fairness to Nelson, he doesn't do that.
Yeah.
He doesn't like feeding on that because
Real.
that's his human side on top of being professional. So that's why I know maraming artista sees him differently and sees him in a light where I can't trust this person because he has never brought anybody down. In
True.
fact, he's helped lifted as much as he could.
Yeah.
And that sets him apart from all others. I'm not making names, mentioning names, pero majority of the time, you know this, especially in this day and age, where it's accessible to many. TikTok is there, you can easily Google and find this stuff. And a lot of people like to feed on the negative rather than the positive. And that's what sets him apart. He doesn't feed on the negative. He feeds on the positive. Yeah. Even if the topic is negative, he still finds a way to pivot and look into what can be great and what can be good out of that situation to help that person.
Yeah.
So
I
that's
do
what's
not believe
good,
that everything is negative through and through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's always a positive side.
Yes.
There's always
Yeah.
a positive angle. There's always, something to lift up. Hindi lang yung celebrity, but also somebody's, a small girl will be watching this and will be inspired by the story that you're going to make. So, yun yung parating hinahabol ko.
Yeah.
And that's my prayer every day.
At saka, if I may add, at the end of the day, it becomes your legacy. Because you're not gonna be forever where you are.
Yeah.
You're not gonna be famous forever, or you're not gonna be rich forever, and all. Circumstances do change. And I think what's important and essential in a human life, regardless of what you are walking in, either a chef, an artista, a reporter, a writer, at the end of the day, you have to think about the future, the legacy that you'd like people to think of you by. When the time will come, you're no longer doing what you're doing. Kasi that's the essence of life. Diba? Like ako, what I do, my future thinking is I'd like to be remembered for a chef who champions Filipino cuisine and represents regional cuisine and brings it to a better light.
Yeah.
So that when I go, at least that's what will remember me by.
Yeah.
And I think that's what's essential and important in life.
And also how you made them feel.
Yes, and
like
how you
through
made
your
them
food,
feel.
through your
Yeah.
work.
Diba?
Diba?
And can I just say, Chef Miggy says repeatedly that he does not want to answer. But every time you answer, you're...
It just comes out. No?
No,
Yeah.
and not just that. The things you say are so insightful and so
Yeah.
inspirational.
Thank you.
And you guys are like my life peg now. Like,
Yeah.
in terms of
Diba?
couples, because you guys are such smart and
Thank you.
and good communicators.
And
And
we clash all the time.
I'm sure. Because your brains are working 24/7. I would love to be a fly on the wall on one of your
Yeah.
convos.
Ang weird nga kasi kanina inisip ko yung when he was talking about legacy, inisip ko, oh my God, and by legacy ko, somebody who cleans the bathroom all the time.
No, at saka I'm just saying, for your
Yeah.
viewers that are couples, regardless if it's heterosexual or not,
Yeah.
I think the secret to Nelson and I lasting this long is because we're never out there. we're never easy to be consumed by others. We're always kept to
Yun.
ourselves. We only share what is essential and what's
Yes.
important. And you don't have to show off. Because the truth of the matter is, what really lasts are those who are protective of their peace, protective of their
Yes.
happiness, and it is not easily consumable by others.
Totoo talaga yan.
People will claw.
Yeah, because
People
people
will
will claw.
say
Yeah,
things.
yes, that's true.
Yes. Alam niyo, nakaka-relate ako dyan sa mga, ayoko
Totoo
na
ba,
magsalita.
Cheska?
Ay,
Teka
eto
lang,
na,
ah.
eto na.
Ano?
Yung mga easily
Unang tanong, Cheska.
Yung mga nai-easily swayed na pupunta sa ibang daan. But anyway,
Triggered si Cheska.
trigger
Triggered.
ako doon. But anyways, I guess this is
Ay,
a true
okay,
epitome
okay
of partnership for me. Like, good partnership talaga. And that's what you also want in life. Like, ako personally, that's what I want in life. Somebody who speaks good of me behind my back or with me.
Speaks highly of you.
Yes, lifts me up. And we both do that with each other. And we thrive in life together
I know
talaga.
kasi it's cliche when somebody says, di ba na, support your partner every way you can. Yeah, of course you have to do that. Pero, you know, yung iba yung action talaga eh. Like parang, ever since, hindi pa chef si Miggy, reporter pa lang ako. Yung
Yeah.
budding reporter pa, hindi pa naman budding, medyo ilang years na rin ako noon. Pero alam niya yan na pag nag-support kami, totoong support. Like parang even yung madaling araw ka uuwi, susunduin ka niya.
Oh.
Yun the small things. Really, I mean, it's really the small things eh. Hindi yung grand gestures eh.
Totoo.
Like parang
Totoo.
may mga umaga na kailangan kong gumising ng maaga and gigising din siya and he'd prepare breakfast for you saka siya matutulog ulit. Because kailangan mong magmadali.
Yeah.
So may mga ganon. It's really the small things.
Small things talaga. Yun talaga. May mga iba kasing couples na, ay puro ito, surprise, pero on a daily basis, ay
Yeah.
wala.
Yeah.
Ang pangit naman talaga nun. So, it really is the small things. Pero ito, I'm just really curious kasi you guys came from different industries. Like, of course, showbiz, cuisine, like food.
Paano yung
But
dynamics?
how did you guys meet? Like, how did it all start?
Yes, gusto ko yan
Ay,
lang
gusto ko
Chanel.
yung mga ganyan. Oh my God. Baka ganyan.
Ibababa ko yung mic.
Ay, okay. Chef Miggy.
interject.
It's
Ano
a,
pa, paano
it's a,
Wait, namumula sila parehas. Okay, anyway.
it's a long story, pero
Okay,
just
we're
to
here to listen.
yeah, but to cut it short, I saw, of course, just like everybody else, I saw him on TV reporting. So normally kasi
Elections.
Normally I don't watch TV pag walang really something important and big, no.
Okay.
So it was elections 2010 if my memory serves me right. So nakita ko siya on TV, tapos sabi ko pa sa sarili ko, uy, meron palang poging cute reporter.
Wait, hindi narinig,
Pogi na
hindi
cute
narinig,
pa?
hindi narinig ni Mark eh. Ano?
Sabi ko, meron palang cute at poging reporter sa GMA. So, so inantay ko, inantay ko yung pangalan. Inantay ko yung pangalan, tapos inad ko siya sa Facebook. Sundok sa buwan yun eh. So, and then after a few days, he responded. He approved of that friend requests. And then we started conversing. Pero during that time kasi, I think he was partnered. So, the conversation was very limited. And I also felt, kasi ako, I
Ganda ko
respect
sa
it.
partner.
Hindi. Kasi ako also, I do respect, relationships of others. So, nung na-feel ko na, okay, he's not interested because he's with someone, I cut my communications with him. It was only after 2 years when I saw him online again, I took my chance, and the conversation became longer. So, that triggered na parang, sabi ko, ay, na-trigger ako nun.
When
Sabi
you
ko,
first message, nasa Sambuanga pa siya.
Sambuanga ako
Nung
nun.
nag-message siya ulit, nasa Abu
Abu
Dhabi
Dhabi na
siya
ako
noon.
noon. Yeah,
So alam mo yun, ang dami ng pinagdaanan.
Like that.
Saan pa kayo napunta?
And the funny thing is, he never really liked me at first. Because I was...
Ganda!
Iba
Kasi-
klase.
Hindi kasi I wasn't his typical parang like na gusto for image for a guy.
Kumbaga, ideal type.
Ideal
din
type,
eh.
yeah. Kasi yung gusto niya
No.
dati, kasi yung mga past relationships niya were tall, chinito, maputi, ganun. So,
Ay.
I was the complete opposite. I was short and...
Doesn't talk too much.
Yeah.
Ganun. Kasi gusto ko ako lang yung nagsasalita.
Hanap ka ng katapat mo. Hindi ka bubog yun ni Sir Nelson kasi parang madami ka talagang chinichika.
Yes, so parang it went to a point na parang he even told me na, okay, it's probably not gonna work, so let's just remain friends, ganon. So ako naman kasi, pag ganon, I don't force myself to people. Kasi why would I? Di ba? I mean, if you
Yeah.
don't like me, then you don't like
No,
me.
no, you forgot to kasi when he was in Abu Dhabi, we have been talking to
For
each
years.
other for every
So we were
every day,
communicating
weren't
every day.
together pa.
We weren't. we were just friends.
wala na.
We started
Pero
as
ano
friends.
to
yeah.
friend zone ito.
Friend
Friend
zone.
zone.
Ay, sorry.
Like everyday lang. Kasi parang
Oo.
iniisip ko parang, kawawa naman yung friend ko, OFW, parang gano'n. Kalingkod,
Grabe.
Diba?
Grabe siya.
Ano.
Pero yun, so we were talking for years. And then, when we met for the first time, it wasn't really his type. He told me naman openly, and he was very honest. So parang, I went home to Zamboanga. Umuwi na ako ng Zamboanga. Sabi ko sa mami ko, I'm gonna stay here for a while. And then I stopped communicating. Kasi it was clear to me, you don't want me. I stopped communicating.
But
So for...
Only
you
for
shared
1
your
week.
intention sa kanya. na
Only
gusto
for
mo-
1
Yeah,
week.
I did.
Only for one.
No,
Only for 1 week.
2 weeks. Sorry, 2 weeks.
1 week.
One ba?
One lang
Okay,
yun.
anyway.
Kapalong
So,
mukha mo.
so I stopped communicating.
Okay,
Yeah, nag-stop talaga,
okay.
no communication. Kasi parang sabi ko, I have to respect his decision and his space.
Kasi from friend zone na nga.
And you have to respect yourself.
And myself too. I have to respect myself. I wasn't born just, like that.
Yeah.
Diba? At saka sabi ko, it's not going to be my loss. I don't come from just puchu-puchu.
Yeah.
Right?
Tama.
Diba? So okay na yun. So no communication for 1 week until one day I got a message from him. And the message was so short and simple. I miss you.
Sir?
Di ba sinabi ko kanina, oh my God, wag niyo pagsasalitain
Oh,
si
ano?
Pag nagsalita yan. So, tuloy, oh my God,
So,
wala siya talagang filter.
Nag-message siya na, I miss you. So I called him.
Love it!
Love it.
I called him. Sabi ko,
Oh my gosh.
what's up? Sabi pa niya, don't get this the wrong way. Sabi niya, there's nothing romantic about this. Kunwari pa siya.
Wow!
Pero sabi niya, wait,
Ay, sabi niya.
pero sabi pa niya, I'm at my veranda right now. I'm staring at the moon and the stars. Whoa!
Writer naman!
Oh, no.
Writer!
Seriously.
That's hilarious.
Total sinabi naman na niya. Really, I was in a veranda that time. And it was like full moon pa noon natatandaan
Yeah.
ko. And it was clear sky.
Tapos,
So romantic. And then,
Yeah.
di ba yung parang, ano na to parang naging ano na siya naging routine na that I speak to him every day.
tas
And then
biglang
all of
nawala.
a sudden, hindi mo na siya kausap for 1 week. Parang sabi ko, puwisit, namimiss ko yata. So,
And the funny thing was, nung sinabi niya sa akin, kasi when I took the call, I went out sa garden ng bahay namin. Sabi pa niya, I'm in my veranda staring at the full moon right now. Sabi ko, the funny thing is, I'm staring at the same full moon there. Sabi
Tapos punta na kami somewhere out there.
No, and then the rest is history, as they say.
God damn it!
All.
Can I just say, hindi ka pa po showbiz reporter.
No, showbiz
reporter
reporter
siya.
naman.
But you know what? That tells me talaga you were made for the business of show because you have a flair for the dramatics.
I'm a writer, remember?
Bruh, I'm gonna use that like I'm at the veranda staring at the
veranda right
moon.
And the stars, yeah.
Diyos ko.
Nagtatanong sa'yo, are you?
Para sa lalaki dyan na
Ayun.
hindi ko pa nakikita, antayin nyo, hindi pa lang ako reporter ngayon.
Ako, that tells me, kailangan ko pumili ng place na may veranda.
Yeah.
Ay, yung condo na binili mo, Yes, tapos may veranda na yun.
Yes. Wait, ito. Since you guys said that you've been together for 10 years and Palm Girl has been around for 8 years,
Yeah.
so you were already there when he
Yes.
was... How
Starting.
did you manage that as a couple? Because I'm sure, mahirap to
Yeah,
build a business from the ground
yeah.
up, especially a restaurant. So how did you manage yung building
Dynamics
yourself
namin. Yeah,
while also being supportive of a partner
Yeah.
who's
Yeah.
trying to
You know-
build something?
Yeah, that's a really, really nice question because the thing with Nelson and I is we respected each other's personal spaces. But we always made ourselves available to each other anytime. So while I was building the restaurant, there was so much pressure and he understood that. So instead of adding to that pressure, he let me be. Pero a safe distance were making me feel na andyan pa rin ako if you need
Naghihintay
me.
lang ako ng,
Naghihintay lang ako
tulungan mo
na
ako.
tulungan mo ako. And vice versa. Ako din ganun. With Nelson, I never really questioned anything. I allowed him in his creative space. Pero I made him feel na I was just around whenever you need to get out of that.
So, hindi mo rin
parang-
naman kayang interviewin si Alden.
Oo naman, syempre. Oo naman, syempre. But the thing is, yun na parang the dynamics was the respect was there. We allowed each other to grow. individually.
But it's important.
But
Like,
we were there
essential
for
yun.
each other.
Essential
Still.
sa relationship yun. Like parang, like what you said nga, di ba? Clichéing, pag I support you, I support you. Pero pag yung totoong support na talaga,
Yun wala.
wala. So parang kailangan, yung talagang
Yeah.
unconditional talaga.
Kasi-
yung pag when you say support, everything, like iintindihin mo siya pag mainit yung ulo niya
Yeah.
dahil pagod siya, dahil
Yeah.
pinuput up niya yung kitchen,
Yeah.
gano'n.
Yeah.
Or pinuput up niya, bumibili siya ng mga upuan para sa mainit yung ulo niya, pagod siya. So, alam mo agad yun.
Yes.
Like what I said, it's the small
Yeah.
things.
And
It
like-
really is the small things.
Yeah, and like with
are
him-
the small things.
Yeah, and like with him, sometimes when he comes home from work and he's really, really tired, so you have to understand that. Yeah, you have to put yourself in the person's shoes. So, but the good thing with us is our relationship is always stepping back and looking at the picture, at the bigger picture, and then assessing situations before we start to open our mouth,
Yeah.
before we start ganun kami. So, parang there's always that level of maturity that we both understand, even if age gap namin is malayo
And you really have to emphasize that. Seriously. Totoo ba? Totoo ba? Kailangan natin sabihin sa triggered ngayon.
Hindi ko alam.
Na-trigger siya.
If you don't mind us asking.
We're not gonna say our age, but we are 15
We are-
years apart. Yun na lang.
I'm going to say, sinabi mo na rin lang.
Nanay at tatay ko,
I am
22 years.
56 this year.
50.
Yeah.
My parents are 17.
Oh, see there.
Parents
But
ko
the thing is-
22 years
But the thing is,
apart. Oh my God.
it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of patience. It takes a lot of time and discipline to get to that. That's why sabi ko nga, relationships normally don't work right away.
Yeah.
Kasi sometimes you have to give it time. You have to, like in cooking, sabi ko, you don't rush it. You give it time for the flavor to come out.
Let it
if you-
marinate.
and if you don't have that patience, that's why when you look at a person to be a partner, you have to look ahead Na parang, is this the person I'd like to spend the rest of my life with? Or is this a person na panandalian lang? And then when you work things together, you always have to look forward to what's gonna happen. And it's always best.
Balance the green and the red flags.
Yeah. And the good thing lang is about when we were starting ni Nelson, we were showing each other the not so nice things about each other. You know? Because parang doon mo malalaman na parang kaya ko bang tiisin yon or hindi.
So, nilabas niyo na in the beginning.
Oo, in
so,
the
hindi
beginning.
siya best foot forward.
Hindi siya best foot forward.
Siya yung best foot forward.
Hindi masyado lahat No, but what I'm just saying,
Konti lang.
konti lang.
Talaga
But what
yung,
you're saying is,
lumayas ka sa
what I'm
bahay
saying is,
ko.
it was a balance naman. Kasi di ba, when we get into relationships, sometimes, the best foot first. Di ba? Kami ni
Huwag
Nelson,
kayong naniniwala sa best foot
it
forward.
wasn't always the best foot. It was always the showing me na, pagod ako sa trabaho today, I don't want to talk to you. You know? So,
That reminds me of I think a quote or something that I read before na parang your lover gets like the worst version of you.
true.
Because to the public you show patience, you show grace, you show kindness.
Yeah.
Pero your partner gets
yeah.
the raw.
Yeah.
Correct. But there's one value though that's, I think if I can impart and share,
Yeah.
there's one value that you need to look into. The person that you would like to be with has to be family-centered. That's number one. Aside from being God-centered, kasi
So
religion is a subject of whether Christian, Roman Catholic, etc. But if that person is a family-centered, isa lang titinan ko lagi, pag yung tao na yun ay gumagalang sa kanyang nanay at tatay. And if you see that value in him as important, that person is good.
And both of us are family-centered.
Yeah.
Centered. Yeah.
So, kung may
Ganun
problema
yun
kami, pamilya talaga namin yun.
Pero
Yeah.
minsan may too much din, too much family-centered.
Meron din.
To a point
Meron
na
din.
parang yung family niya yung nagde-decide.
Ay,
Pag
iba
nag-away
naman
kayo,
yun.
sumbong kita kay mama.
Iba
Ganun.
naman
Talaga.
yun. Iba naman yun. There's a thing that you draw a line. Pero
Yeah.
there are values
Kasi,
and characters.
let me qualify that. Kasi we have kasi so much respect for our parents. We have so much love for our parents. Na parang, yung parents din namin, they all allow us to live our lives.
Yeah.
Pero pag yung kaipitan na parang tumigil ka dyan. Tumigil ka sa ginagawa mo, susubong kita kay mama. Hindi niya alam kung kaninong mama, kung mama ko o mama niya. Pero both ways, takot siya. So, and needless to say, ako ganun din.
Yeah.
So,
May mga stuff that you can look into. I mean, how your partner treats.
no,
let's
that's
say,
our commonality, no?
And how let's say you're eating in a restaurant, your partner, how they treat the servers.
Yeah, I look
treat
at
the
that all the
security
time.
guards.
True.
May mga ganong mga small factors that you look into. And you put it all together, that becomes a really good value to gauge if, okay, this person is a nice person or not. Yung ganun.
And mga little, yun nga,
Little
mga
things,
habits niya,
Noted.
malalaman
And
naman
there's
na.
something that you
Noted.
said. There's
Noted
something that
lahat
you
yan.
said earlier that I will put in my notes. yung giving giving your partner space, but enough space lang na hindi
Yeah.
niya maiisip na you're gone.
You're gone. Yeah, just, I'm just
Yes.
here,
like
I'm
that.
distancing myself because you need that, but I'm just here. When you need me, just tell me anytime.
Safe
Yeah.
distance.
Yeah,
Safe
safe
distance,
distance. I
Kasi
love that.
parati mong isipin yung partner mo, may sariling buhay yan eh. And for him to be creative, for him to grow, you have to give him space. Na
Yeah.
parang hindi ka parating, ano gagawin niya?
Yeah.
Ano niya? So
At saka,
parang it's like that.
Yun, at saka it's a no-no in a relationship when you change your partner. Eh. That's also a thing.
Oh,
Sometimes
yeah.
kasi we make mistakes. Especially when we're younger, we make mistakes of parang, I want to mold my partner to become this. That's when the problem comes.
You know, I've been friends with Jessica for a while, and parang feeling ko kaming dalawa yung extremes. Like ako in relationships, I don't give enough space. But I think she's
Ako,
too much space.
Like, ayoko na.
I think we both have to find
Siya yung
this.
princess.
The middle ground. Yeah.
Yeah,
Siya
the
yung
middle
princess,
ground.
ako yung strong, independent. Ganyan, nagka-clash kami.
Ako yung tanong ko kasi parang, syempre as an LGBT,
Ano, Mark?
ganyan.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Cliche man yung tanong, pero na-amaze pa din ako tuwing naririnig ko yung mga story nila sa tanong na to na, syempre nga sa country natin, sobrang madaming discrimination, ganyan. Sa relationship ninyo, paano nyo hinandle yun, yung mga discrimination mula sa tao?
Because we're so confident with each other and our individualities, we don't really actually care about the discrimination. Am I
We're
right?
not, kasi
we're living our lives the way we see
Walang
fit.
airtime.
We're not known as a couple.
Walang airtime, yeah.
So parang may mga individual kaming ginagawa na nire-respeto kami in our own
In
fields.
our own field, yeah.
So parang hindi kami paano ba yung hindi kami natatakot. So if you discriminate us,
It's fine.
fine, wag mo lang sasabihin sa harap ko. Iba 'yon.
Yari ka.
Kilala niya ako pagdating sa part na 'yon. So bahala kayo talk behind
Yeah.
us. We don't
At
care.
saka pati also because I think it comes to the sense of being mature enough to know what is affecting you or not.
What
Alam mo yun? What should affect you or not. So parang kalig ako, in the restaurant industry, food is subjective. So if some customers would say we didn't really like it, it's fine.
Yeah.
You're not my market.
You're not my
So it's a matter of yung parang putting things into perspective lang na parang will I allow this to ruin my day? Like out of the 10 people who ate, if 8 people said my food was good, 2 said no, will I focus on the 2 or the 8? 'Di ba? Parang ganun.
Yeah, and it's about being confident talaga.
Yeah.
And yung kompleto ka on your own
Yeah.
and mas kompleto kayo together
Together.
ng partner
On
mo.
yung
So,
Yeah.
wala ka nang iisipin eh. Like yung mga bagay na naririnig mo, those are just noise.
Yes, yeah.
Noise na lang
Kasi,
talaga yun.
I mean, let's be honest about it. Once in every while, darating talaga sa inyo yun eh. People will criticize. Hindi nga criticize eh. People will bash you. Yung na parang about you being a couple. Pero nasa sa inyo yan how you're
Yeah.
going to
Yeah.
consume it. Kasi kami nung start naapektuhan pa siya na parang oh my gosh.
I remember, speaking of apektuhan, a long time ago, but this was an experience that I think it's nice to share.
Yeah.
There were comments about our photo. No? There were comments that were really negative, some of which were parang really below the belt. But then I realized na parang, look, we may belong to this sector or community, and you might think that it is a sin, okay? I'll say it, no? But at the end of the day, I'm living my life in such a way I'm helping a lot of people. I'm changing lives. Alam mo yun?
Hindi, ako
I'm
naman
changing
kasi-
lives, I'm giving opportunities. So parang I look at life as such eh. Parang if you think being gay is a sin, I don't care. I'm using this to do good for others, and that's
And it
what matters.
Definitely has nothing to do with what you're
Yeah.
doing.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't me being that has nothing to do with me being a reporter.
Yeah.
And siya rin.
Yeah, I mean, I may be part of the LGBTQ, but I'm not a criminal.
You are?
You know what I mean? Hindi, di ba? No, parang, I may be gay, but I'm not a criminal. I didn't steal, I didn't
Yeah.
kill, I didn't,
At saka parati kung may ganyan akong stance parati na parang masama yung ginagawa mo. Parang I respect what you said.
Yeah.
Ako naman, May ganun ako naman. Parang, sige, tapos ka na magsalita? Ako naman. Ano,
I
game?
like that.
Yeah.
Don't dish out what you
So
can't
empowered.
take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so medyo nagiging real na yung usapan
Oh.
natin.
I could go on for
real na
hours.
talaga. Diba? We're not complaining, pero eto, gusto nating balikan yung about sa pagiging, in showbiz mo and, having this relationship with celebrities and then asking them about their lives.
Let me qualify that. Working relationship.
Working relationships ba?
Yeah.
Ikaw baka relationships.
Working relationship.
Just to be clear.
Just
Just to be the clarity of the
Tapos na
word.
tayo sa romantic relationship.
Oo, sa
Yes.
romantic relationships. Pero ito, may mga artista na pumipili talaga ng mga reporters to
Yes.
be at their events, to be at their and minsan hindi ka na-invite, minsan hindi ka nila pinagkakatiwalaan, and so on. How do you take that? Ba?
I respect that. Kasi most of the time, if not all the time, ako yung gusto nila.
Confidence! Totoo yun. If you know, you
Oo,
know.
Kasi it's like,
Ganito.
I get the call
Love
first, and then,
that.
can you come to my event? Or can you do the
Per.
interview? And I'm like, I'm on leave that day. And then somebody gets it.
Yeah.
Parang ganon. So, pero, yeah, to answer your question, kidding aside, yeah, I respect that. Kasi naniniwala naman ako talaga. Like, sabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Ang artista, dapat may relationship ka sa kanila.
Yeah.
And hindi yung basta yung nandyan ka lang pagkailangan mo sila for an interview.
Yeah.
So dapat may naiaambag ka rin sa buhay nila of some sort.
Yeah.
So that way kasi magtitiwala sila sa'yo. And you get invited and you be given the privilege of the interview because of that relationship.
The rapport.
And I
yung
so respect that. Kasi hindi naman 100% of the time ako yung sa akin gusto magpa-interview eh. Parating, nauna si ganito. Or ano. And I respect that kasi it's your choice. Naniniwala ako eh. Kasi that's how you want your narrative to go. To,
Yeah.
Kasi si Nelson yung gusto ko kasi siya eh. Malalim siya magtanong or mababaw siyang magtanong. So may ganun eh. And whatever suits your needs, go for that.
Yeah. True naman talaga. Huwag mong ipili.
May pilit. Parang pag hindi ikaw yung
Diba?
nag-interview, parang parang katapusan na ng
Katapusan
buhay
na.
mo.
Ang dami pang pwedeng interview.
Parang magkikita pa rin naman tayo, di ba?
Oo.
Susumbatan pa rin naman kita after.
True.
Was there ever, like, can you think of one moment or time period where you realized na this is not just a job to you, this is a responsibility?
Oh, yes. All the time. All the time. Ever since nung bago ako, ang feeling ko it's a job to report, ganyan, to do reporting. And then I realized ang daming nakadikit doon na responsibility sa ginagawa ko. One is bringing out the truth. Kasi 'di ba, labanan mo yung fake news. And if I can share a story, during the pandemic, I was able to scroll yung mga messages sa akin na hindi ko binabasa because hindi ko sila friend. And ang dami kong nabasa na OFWs who messaged me saying na, I don't watch the hard news anymore kasi it's depressing enough. I only
Yeah.
wait for your news.
Oh.
So, me being a son of an OFW, naramdaman ko yun. And it's parang marami pa palang nakadikit na responsibility sa ginagawa ko.
Yeah.
And after that, nag-evolve yung tingin ko sa trabaho ko. Naging deeper yung meaning ng ginagawa ko. That's why whenever I do interviews now, whenever I go out for an interview, it's always intentional. And I always have people in mind. Yun, katulad nga niyan. How would I entertain? How I would inspire? So, yun parate.
Yeah. I think parallel yun no, nung experience naman ni Chef Miggy with was it a teacher? The woman who
Yeah.
cried
Who
from
cried.
your food?
Yes.
Remembering memories from the past, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Totoo.
yun.
Pero ito, Sir Nelson, para sa fantasy ng mga lahat, if ever makaka-name kayo ng artist in terms of work ethic, sino yon sa mga nakatrabaho mo or na-interview mo sa
Mga
artista?
artista.
Ang dami. Like parang, oh my gosh, work ethics.
Top 3.
Top
Top 3, yan.
Top
Ganda.
three.
Kasi,
Top 3.
I would say Marian, Alden, Barbie Fortesa,
Yes.
like Ding Dong Dantes, like sobrang professional niyang mga yan. Like when you say na magkikita kayo for an interview at 9 o'clock,
Ay, sorry.
nandun sila ng 9 o'clock. Si Barbie would be there 8 o'clock.
Parang may
Si
tinamaan.
Wait, uy, si...
Cheska,
Sorry,
9:10.
sorry naman. 10-10. 10-10 yun. 10-10 yun.
We're talking about yung ano, yung time pa lang in terms of yung other aspects, yung
Gens,
how they conduct the interview. Yun. Surprisingly, yung mga veterano, yung mga you know, 'di ba, the top tier na artista, sila pa yung alam nila yung gagawin nila. Parang ganon, na hindi yung ano tatanong mo.
Yeah.
So, yun.
Magaling din sumagot din eh.
Oo,
Maganda
magaling
yung
din.
pagkas-
Kumbaga, hinasa na rin sila. Tsaka na-develop na nila yung that professional thing na I'm going to approach this in such a way na professional yung dating ko. Hindi lang sa TV, kundi pati sa mag-i-interview sa akin.
Yeah.
So,
That's why they're
Tsaka
successful.
Tsaka yung mga pwede nilang i-share, no, na hindi masyadong out there, TMI, at hindi din ganun ka exclusive.
Yes.
Like, alam mo yun, hindi masyadong tago.
Speaking of
Sakto
sagot,
lang.
sa top 3 mo naman, Sir Nelson, sino mga magagaling sumagot sa interviews?
magaling. So, oh my, Barbie Fortesa.
Barbie!
Oh my gosh.
Mare ko!
Barbie. Like parang, ano yan eh, you have to be on your toes pag sumagot ka kasi ang bilis ng utak ni Barbie. It's always, pag yung naglalag ka, gumaganon yan. Meron siyang dating na, parang alam ko na yung sagot eh, ba't di mo patapos yung tanong? So may ganun siya. So parang pag in-interview mo siya, in fact, may mga interviews ako sa kanya na yung kahit na matagal na ako, meron pa akong kaba in a way.
Oh, wow.
Na parang, that is why I love Barbie so much
Yeah.
as an interviewee. Kasi talagang alam niya kung ano yung sasagot niya na parang you don't need to filter. She knows how to answer everything.
Tsaka, napaka mabuting tao.
Oh,
yes.
Barbie. Mabuting tao talaga.
I share ko lang Like, nobody notices this. During the pandemic, I developed this anxiety thing, this panic attack thing. And in one of our interviews recently lang to. And ito, I know how to control kasi may panic attacks already. Kahit na during the interview, nagkakaroon minsan ako ng panic attack na alam ni chef kung paano siya gaganon na parang, oh, you're okay, you're in a safe space.
Yeah.
Pag hindi ko kasama si chef, tinatry ko i-control. And in one of my interviews in the studio, ini-interview si Barbie. And gumanon siya talaga. Parang, are you okay? Yung parang, and I really appreciated that. Na parang, naramdaman mo,
Yeah.
nakita mo, oh my God, I'm seen. Yung parang, yun lang naman yung ano ko na parang, somebody na makakakita or that I'm not alone.
Yeah.
And dun ko, kaya ever since naging safe space ko si Barbie,
Oh, yeah.
every time parang naging personal na yung yung tingin ko sa kanya.
Yeah.
Kaya sabi ko sa kanya parang, oh my God, kahit anong gawin mo, saludo ako sa'yo.
She
Supportahan
really
kita.
is so
Nice.
smart.
Yeah.
And she's so smart.
Tsaka ano siya, every time, share ko lang din, that every time when we see, hindi naman kami ganyan talaga ka-close as in personal level. Pero as in, parang alam niya kung ano yung nangyari sa akin. She would be like, oh, kamusta ka? I'd be like, pero alam niya kung saan siya nanggagaling
And
sa
she's
tanong
so
na yun.
sincere
Yes.
all the time.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Barbs.
Hi po.
Marian also, like parang when she shows
love
concern.
Marian.
Lika dito. Oh,
Yeah.
may ganun siya. So parang ramdam mo na sincere talaga yung ipapakita niyo. Si Alden, parang when pag nagbubulungan kayo, alam mong sincere yung sinasabi niya.
Yeah.
So, yun. Heart.
Yeah.
Heart is one also.
Yeah. Grabe, no?
Si Alden, yeah.
Oh, eto, parang ang haba na ng chikahan
Sobra,
natin.
isa sa pinaka-favorite yung
4 hours na ba to?
Ako din.
Are we
My
ending
favorite
na?
episode.
I have a final question. Can I ask my final question?
Go.
This is just more about you. Like
Me?
after all these years of covering other people's lives, what has this work taught you about your own?
Every day, lahat ng conversations ko, kasi majority naman ng usap ko sa mga artista eh. Kaya, I mean, kahit sabihin yung, hindi mo naman kaibigan yan eh. Hindi, nagiging kaibigan ko na talaga yung mga artista. Kasi, I share a certain part of my life. And in that same manner, di ba, you share a certain part of my life.
Yeah.
Like, katulad mo, di ba, alam ko yung kung ano yung mga dogs na gusto mo. Yung parang nagkakaroon kayo ng connection na hindi mo madidiscount yun eh. And I really treasure that. I really value that. And ang dami kong natututunan na naa-apply ko sa totoong buhay ko. And needless to say, yung mga artistang nakausap ko everyday were the ones who grew me over the years. And I will not say I'm perfect, pero sila yung nagpo-push sa akin. Kasi kahit sabihin yung artista sila, they're all glammed up, they're all, ang taas-taas nila. They're real people eh.
Yeah.
They're as real as they can get. Like pag yung kinausap mo sila, alam mong tao yung kausap mo.
Yes.
Kasi I know some of the fans, ang tingin sa kanila parang, ang taas-taas. Parang perfect. Ganyan. Pero hindi. Yung nakikita ko kasi, yung mga imperfections ng artista. And that is what matters to me.
Di ba? Ang ganda lang nun. It's all about, just really true connection, even in the most chaotic industry.
Yes.
I wouldn't say it's chaotic.
Um,
There are more chaotic industries than
Yeah,
our
pero
industry.
medyo may
But
noise.
we're beautiful people.
Yeah! Yes,
Really
importante
beautiful people.
yun.
Yeah.
Ayun na nga. Naku, maraming salamat. Of course, Sir
this.
Nelson. Of course, Chef
Thank you
Miggy.
very much.
Thank you.
Oo, grabe. Favorite episode ko to
Like,
so
honestly,
far.
for real.
To start
Oo.
2026.
Yeah, I know.
Ito
We talked
pinaka-
about
memorable.
love, about showbiz, our work, and everything, career natin. May gusto po ba kayong i-promote?
First of all, thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys, for this opportunity.
Thank you for having us here.
Na-triggered ako ng sobra-sobra this afternoon. Sobrang dami.
Oh,
but,
hindi mo nga napigilan, pati love
but,
life.
sobrang happy ako. And thank you for this opportunity to share to your audience what we do here at Palm Grill. Palm Grill, we serve authentic Southern Mindanaoan cuisine, Filipino cuisine that's specialty. It's here in Quezon City, in Tomas Morato. We have a mall branch at the Gateway Mall 2, and we're opening this year at the Naiya Terminal 3. Yeah, so it will become accessible to many more tourists and Filipinos and whatnot coming in and out of the country. Ayun, so my social media pages, kailangan ko ba bang sabihin yun?
Yeah.
Well, for Palm Grill, Facebook, Instagram, Palm Grill PH. For my personal, Chef Miggy Moreno. Yeah, so, yeah, if you want to chat, talk, watch what I am doing, follow me. I'm not a celebrity, but feel free to do so. I'm here to help. Yeah.
Siya na lang i-follow niyo. Alam niyo naman kung saan ako
Love it.
nakikita.
Yeah!
And I just want to say, guys, the world is so big. Mag-explore kayo. Pumunta kayo dito sa Palm Grill.
Yes.
Pagkain dito na hindi nyo pa natitikman kahit Pilipino kayo.
Yes, thank you.
Kaya catch us every Friday, 7 p.m. dito sa YouTube channel ng Triggered, ng Adventure Taste Moment. You can also follow us on Audible, Spotify, and our official Facebook account. At syempre, sa TikTok namin, magti-TikTok kami nila, Sir Nelson. Ayan, follow nyo, like, ayan, comment, and share na rin. And, eto, every Sunday pala, Kapuso Streams, 3 p.m. Nandun din po kami. Kaya kita-kits tayo on the next episode. This has been
Triggered!